Good morning, everybody, and it is 7 a.m. and I'm doing spring cleaning. I woke up this morning at 5 a.m. literally to clean. It's that time of the year when I switch out my wardrobe from my winter stuff to my summer stuff. I don't know if that's even still a thing if people do that, but like I do that because I have so many clothes that like I literally have to switch things out. So I am literally making a video of a try on video of my spring summer clothes to see if we're gonna keep it or if we're not, you know, because I feel like I am in a season of decluttering my life and I don't want to hold on to clothes that I have not worn in a year or two. That's the golden rule. If you haven't worn it within a year, give it up. If you really, you know, because I feel like I have a little bit of hoardiness in me right now. And I'm trying to let it go. I want to declutter my life. I've already decluttered all my shoes. I gave away like half of my shoes because I feel like I live in a life in abundance, so I can just replenish them if I really need them. So we're going to do a couple of my items, see if we're giving it away or if we're going to keep it, because y'all, I am like I said, it is the season of decluttering, and I'm not about to keep nothing that don't look good no more, that I can't fit. So these clothes on, and if it don't fit, it don't look, y'all, please drop it in the comments. Like, don't have me out here looking crazy. And if it's like, if it doesn't fit, just tell me in the comments, because I'm going to let it go. Okay, let's get into it. So I have this skirt set that I got from Zara last year, and I really thought it was cute and I liked it, but it's kind of fitting a little blah, you know, like it doesn't really give me any shape. So, you know, I'm trying to style it, but I like that it fits really comfortable, and I really love this color. So I'm going to be wearing it this summer because I'm like, yeah, I love two-piece sets. I love just things that kind of fit comfortable but still are cute. That's what I'm going for this summer and absolutely keeping. Now, okay, so let's talk about this top. So I got this from H&M, and honestly, the top, I don't like it. Like, it's see-through, so I have to keep a bra on, and that even if I wear a bra, I get the show, and it makes my chest look bigger than it is. But the skirt, I'll definitely keep. Definitely can wear like a cute black crop top and keep it moving. But that top has to go. I really liked it when I seen it online, but it's just not giving. I don't know why it's completely see-through. Like, what is that about? Then, okay, so let's talk about this. So this skirt I'm going to be wearing over and over and over again this summer because I love mini skirts that are like mini but comfortable, right? Like my butt cheeks are hanging out and it's still mini and it's cute and I love the colors. And this top I got from Zara last or 2 summers ago. Never worn it, but I'm going to wear it this year. I love a crop top that's a little over the top. I feel like I can wear this outfit together. Y'all may see this on my Instagram. So let's talk about this skirt. So I like the skirt and the top. The top is part of a set. But the skirt, I like the skirt, but it fits, but it don't fit. Like, it fits, but I kind of look like a little blah, you know, like, but it is fitting, and I'm going for seeing what's fitting, not really what's comfortable. So I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. What you guys think? Okay, so boom, here's a set I was talking about. I was telling y'all, I love this set. I'm going to Jamaica in 2 weeks, and y'all are going to see this set because I absolutely love this set. And now that I've lost some pounds, it fits so comfortable. I feel so confident wearing it, and honestly, it's so cute. Honestly, I keep saying honestly, but the top I love because I think I can dance, but I know I can't. The top I really love because it's versatile. Like, it's off the shoulders, and I can put it on my shoulders. Like you see, I can make it a little tighter, give it a little sexy. I really love this set. So y'all gonna see it in my Jamaica vlog, so just beware. So this used to be one of my favorite dresses, y'all, but I cannot fit it. I tried so hard off camera. I literally tried, but I didn't want to rip it, and I'm so sad. I hate dresses like this that like fit weird, like you can't get past your thighs, but it's like really big in the stomach area, and I can't even button in nothing. I am so sad. I'm like, is it me or did I shrink the dress? I think I shrunk the dress. It can't be me, right? It's no way it could be me, but that print, I love a floral print, but it's definitely dress, not me. And then I just have this simple polo dress. I feel like more confident wearing this now that I feel like I'm a little bit more in shape. It fits really well, and I don't even have spandex on. Like, I can just wear, undergarments, and it'll be fine. This is such a cute look, especially for a happy hour. Okay, this dress, y'all,
Absolutely no. The material is cheap, and look how it fits. It's supposed to be a slip dress, and it's a large, but look how it fits, like so weird. And then it has a built-in bra, but it's like doesn't even cover my chest. I don't understand what's going on, and like the fit is just awful. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. I'm absolutely getting rid of this immediately. Actually, I think I'm already taking it, because what if it's awful? So this skirt used to fit really, really cute, and it kind of is fitting again, but I think I'm going to get rid of it because it's a little tight, you guys. What do you think? I think I'm going to get rid of it. Let's get into some shorts. So it's shorts. I usually don't wear shorts, but I'm trying this summer to wear shorts more often. And as you can see, I've lost some weight, like I said before. So these shorts are actually fitting. I couldn't fit them last summer. Go me. So these are absolutely a keep. I'm going to keep these shorts. Absolutely 100% keeping. These shorts, gotta go. They're so tight. Look at them. I don't like wearing clothes that look small. Like, it seems like you can see my little pudge hanging over. I don't like clothing like that. I can just let them go. This is what I'm talking about, of letting go and decluttering. Because, look, I can't barely move. I'm really trying, though. I've been wanting to find any reason to keep some shorts. Okay, these are my favorite shorts. Now, I don't wear shorts a lot, but I did wear these all the time last summer. They're still a little tight, but I'm going to keep them because they still are really comfortable, even though they look really, really tight. But these are actually a pair of my favorite shorts. I got these from Nordstrom, actually, but I'm going to keep them. Absolutely. Look. Yep, keeping. These, nah. I never wore these either, and I look stuffed. Like, I genuinely look stuffed, and I don't like looking stuffed, so we're letting them go. Ooh, Chile. Take them off right now, girl, because I look stuffed, baby. These I'm going to keep. I don't look stuffed, and I don't really wear Bermuda shorts, but it's always good to have a pair of Bermuda shorts because you never know where you're going to go, and you just kind of want to look casual but cute. Definitely going to be seeing me wear these this summer. And these are actually custom made. I made them myself.
Did y'all like my little voiceover? I feel like I should do more voiceovers. I feel like, I don't know, I've been looking at the video like, oh, look, go girl, go girl, go girl. Did y'all like my spring cleaning? What did you think about the items? Keep it or nah? Should I get rid of it? Some of these I'm definitely donating. Some of these I'm actually going to keep. You're going to probably see them in these vlogs. I feel so light because I'm giving away so many items. And that's really how I want to feel. I live in a life of abundance. I keep telling y'all that I like nothing. So all these clothes that I'm giving away that I can't fit or I'm not, like, it's not in season anymore for me, because I don't go by trends. I go by what's in season in Autumn's life. And listen, I bought it 4 years ago and it still looks good. I can style it, y'all. I will wear it. So yeah, I don't care about what's trending in the world. It's what's trending in Autumn's life. So if the items are still trending in my life, I'm going to wear them. But some of these outfits items I need to get rid of, y'all. I need to let go. I kind of like want to do a series on like shopping and building a wardrobe from scratch. Because I feel like mid-20s, you're not really like wearing the things you did when you were in your early 20s, but like you still want to keep some of the pieces, but now it's time to add on. So I feel like I want to do a series of like shopping and like what to buy when you're trying to build a wardrobe for your mid to late 20s, because your girl's in her mid-20s like, whoa. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, spring cleaning. Now I have to go and finish cleaning the rest of my house. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.